welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another unboxing. I guess this is my second unboxing for this channel. So let's get started. I bought this S20 Ultra 5G Samsung. So I used to have the S9 Plus, so it's time to change after 2 years. And yes, this is the best phone ever, as they said. Let's see if it's true. So as you can see on the backs, you have it here, the specific model. We have the S20 Ultra 5G, and it shows here your model, and it shows made in Korea. And then we have here, so I got the unlock Samsung. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's not focusing. Okay, there you go. And you have here some specific information, like what is inside the package. You have here the charger, stereo headset, quick start guide, and terms and conditions. So yeah, let's get started and let's open it. The only thing I can see here is this single seal. Yan lang. So now let's open it. Alright. Ta-da-da-dun, ta-dun. Yep. La-la-la-la-la. Exciting! There you go. Ayan. So as you can see, I don't know if you could see it clear. Ayan. I got the Cosmic Black, so you have two options for, oh my god, I got the Cosmic Black. You actually have two options for the Ultra. You have the Cosmic Gray and the Cosmic Black. So I prefer the black because it's boring for the gray. It looks dirty. Ayun. Oh my god. So yeah, if you open it, you got this gadget, this boy. Ayan, it has some seal on it. And then I don't know if there is already, oh yeah, so it already comes with a screen protector, which is good because I never got the screen protector. Based on my experience with S9, nothing works with any screen protector that I bought online or I bought from the store. There you go. Are 4 cameras, I guess. Yeah, it's 4 cameras. Now let's go to the package. What's inside the package? You have here, hold on. Oh, okay. What are you talking about? This is like, okay, I don't know. What is this? Let's find out later. What is this? Okay, so what's inside the box? We have here your, I guess, 25 watts. Tama ba? Am I right? Yes, it's the 25 watt adapter. So it's a cable C. Uy, mahulog mo yan Okay, so anyway, we have here your charger, and also you have your cable C, I guess. Yeah, this one. And then I don't want to open it yet. And also we have your AKG, which is already in cable C cable. Tama ba? Am I right? Oh my god, I'm so bad at unboxing. And there you go. It comes with different buds, like it depends on the size of your ears or whichever is comfortable. That's all you have. Let me see. Why did you open it? Don't open it yet. This pakailamerong kasama ko ay nagbubukas na. Siya yung excited. Naging Tagalog na, no? And then, where is the, I guess, hey, don't open it yet. And now let's go back to this one. So we have here your ejection tool. Yan lang siya. Yan lang yung ano sa halaga ng kaiyak-iyak na halaga. Okay, doke. So I'll see you on my next video. The next video is going to be how am I going to transfer all my data from my old phone to this new one. Alright? Thank you for watching and see you guys later. Bye-bye.